Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. I am super duper excited to talk about this Celer network news today. All right, so I'm going to share some information about Celer network. That's C-E-L-E-R. I've made several videos about them. This, I believe, and this is not financial advice, it is one of the best opportunities in the digital assets and cryptocurrency ecosystem. All right, so I'm going to share some information. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I know. Okay, anyway, let me go ahead. Let me go ahead and start with the So here's an article. So let me set the context about being listed on Coinbase. So Celer Network, I've been purchasing Celer Network for a while. I've bought it, I've sold it for a huge profit, and I bought back in. Now, Celer Network was listed on crypto.com. It was also listed on Binance US. Now, it's also listed on a lot of other DEXs and a lot of other exchanges, but I'm just talking about the major centralized exchanges. And so typically when a crypto is going to be listed on Coinbase, during a bull market, if it's listed on Coinbase, it may go up 5,000%, like in 2 days. And so we're in a bear market, so you haven't seen the upward movement that you would traditionally see. But I look for Celer Network to be around for a very, very, very long time. Now, we know that if they're being listed on Coinbase in a bear market, it's telling us some good things about the project. It's telling you, number one, Coinbase would not be listing this project if it wasn't going to be around. Coinbase, in case you didn't know, they are very, 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 very picky. Too picky for my taste, but they are very picky. And also they vet their projects very heavily before they list them on their exchange. And anytime a project is listed on Coinbase, that is a super big doggone deal here in the United States. I promise you it is. And so with the Coinbase listing, this is just confirmation for me that I've made the right investment decision in Celer Network. So I'm gonna share an example with you towards the end of the video to show you how you can take a very small, tiny amount of money and make a very large amount of money. So stick with me through the whole video. It's not going to be a long one, okay? But stick it out. I've got to walk you through because this is the opportunity of a lifetime. This is something that you pray for if you're just now entering into cryptocurrency. Okay, so first, here's the article. Coinbase adds 2 under-the-radar altcoins built on Ethereum to its roadmap. So those 2 altcoins, we're only talking about Celer Network. Coinbase says it has updated its roadmap with the addition of Celer Network, a scaling platform designed to enable off-chain transactions in a secure manner. Celer Network aims to be a multi-blockchain operating system that offers a one-click user experience as well as a variety of tools for developers. I've made several videos about Celer Network and I'll link those in the description so you can watch those again if you need to. Native utility token Celer can be used for staking to facilitate the network's consensus mechanism as well as to pay fees. You all know I like projects I can stake. All right, so let's take a look at the Coinbase announcement. And here's what I want you all to know. Coinbase is trying to be more transparent because what they found is that they had some people who worked for Coinbase. When they would know about new projects about to be listed, they would only tell their friends and families, and they were making a lot of money off of these projects coming to the market on Coinbase. So as part of an effort to increase transparency by providing as much information as possible, Coinbase will be they use a blog post on Twitter to communicate when they have made a decision to list an asset. I like transparency because typically the big guys normally just benefit off of these type of deals, but now with increased transparency, the information is out there for the masses. So Coinbase says the following assets are planned to be listed on Coinbase. And who is number one? Celer Network. Celer Network. Okay, I love it. I love it. I love it. Now, here is the opportunity in Celer Network. So I'm going to CoinGecko. You all know how to get to CoinGecko. I'm going to type in CELER so I can go straight to it. I don't want to waste no time. Now, here's the beauty of Celer Network. Okay, now, check this out. Today, Celer Network is going for 1.6 cents. That's 1 penny. It's less than 2 pennies. You can buy one Celer Network for less than 2 cents. That is huge. It's huge. It's huge. It's huge. The other thing I love about Celer Network are the tokenomics. Look at my other video where I talk about the total supply. Total supply is only 10 billion, guys. I like this project like I like Matic, Polygon Matic. To me, they were always just on the same trajectory. So anyway, the tokenomics are excellent. The team is excellent. All right, so you can buy one Celer Network token for less than 2 cents. This is how you get your opportunities. And so let me walk you all through a couple examples. First, I'm going to use Binance, the BNB token. Let's take a look at the BNB token because you got to have this for context. Let me show you how you get rich. This is how people have gotten rich in crypto. So the BNB token, let's take a look at it. Today, it's about $245 for one token. 245 bucks, okay? Also, let's take a look at what this token cost at its cheapest. So in 2017, October 2017, about 5 years ago, BNB, one token sold for about 4 pennies. So remember that. 5 years ago, you could buy one BNB token for 4 pennies. And last year, this token got up to $686. But right now, because the market is down, one token costs $245, okay? So now remember that. Keep that in track. Keep that in your head. Now, let me give you the example. So, let's say 5 years ago, if I had $500, I could have bought 12,500 BNB tokens because they were about 4 cents. I'm going to round it up for you math people or non-math people. I could have had $500. I could have bought the BNB token for 4 cents each. I would have gotten 12,500 tokens. If I had waited 5 years, or almost, not even 5, almost 5 years, I had 12,500 tokens. We know that BNB was as high as $686, but now it's about $250. Do you know that would be worth $3,125,000? So don't believe it can't happen. Ethereum used to cost 3 cents a token. Bitcoin used to cost 5 cents a token. Celer Network, these are the kind of projects you want to be in early. And you can be in early. It costs less than 2 pennies. Okay? BNB just 5 years ago was 4 cents. And it's now $250. It happens every day in crypto. You just got to know the right projects. Okay, I hope you all don't miss out. This is not financial advice, but this is your chance. Don't be part of the woulda, coulda, shoulda club. Don't try to buy Celer Network when it's $3, $4, $5. Get it when it's 2 cents. Okay, just believe. So let's take an example. So if I had 500 bucks today or 100 or whatever, but my example, with $500 divided by 2 cents, I can get 25,000 Celer Network tokens. I can get 25,000 tokens. If Celer Network does the same thing or something similar than Ethereum, BNB, Bitcoin, and I wait, and let's say it gets to $20 in 3, 4, 5 years, I would have $500,000 off of a $500 investment. Let that soak in. My $500 I set and wait 5 years is now worth $500,000. That is life-changing money. That is pay your mortgage off. It's donate to your favorite charity. Give some family and friends that you love a lot and go on a trip. That's life-changing money, okay? So all I'm saying is just look at the opportunity, and you can do this research yourself and just see the Celer network may be that opportunity that can get you a lot of riches and a lot of wealth. So I just wanted you all to see that because I'm so excited. If a lot of tokens are going to go away, they're going to go away. Celer network is not going anywhere. If Coinbase is adding Celer network to their exchange, that's telling you about the stability of the project. It's telling you that the project, they are innovating. They are doing great things. They're not going anywhere. And this is a project I think you should look very closely at. So there you go. Don't be part of that shoulda, coulda, woulda club. Don't do it. Take a look at Celer Network, not financial advice. So my name is Ida. Now you know you got to subscribe because I bring you information, news you can use, and information that is valuable to you. News you can use. Okay, so I don't know when Celer Network, the exact listing date that is coming to Coinbase, but it is coming. And so when it comes to Coinbase, I'll let you know, but it is coming. And that's a wonderful thing because that speaks to the stability of this project. All right, so don't forget. My crypto teacher, my name is Ida. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Everybody got 2 cents, okay? $20, $30, $10. You can invest something in this project to provide you wealth in the future. All right, that's all. I'm shutting up, okay? I'm shutting up, but just please take a look at it. Please, 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 please. All right, my name is Ida. I'm your crypto teacher. Don't forget to subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I'm out.